Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm bringing you another unboxing, but this time it's a little special. It's the I'm going to be unboxing my Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador beta kit. Microsoft Student Learn Ambassador is a program by Microsoft across the universities around the world. After attaining a certain level, you get a swag kit by Microsoft delivered to your home. And recently, it got rebranded as Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program from Microsoft Student Partner. And thank you to Microsoft and my heads in the program who have sent me a specific swag kit. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing that only. So let's dive into this video. And also, if you want to apply for Microsoft Student Learn program, then link would be there in the description below. So let's go into the video and see what's there in for me. So let's dive in. So it's another unboxing time, and this time it's Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Kit beta kit. Thank you from Microsoft for sending it to me. Let's open it up and see what's there in for us and what surprise Microsoft has sent me. I was waiting for this since long time. Let's open up. Okay, a bit more opening is required. You guys might be observing a trend that I really struggle with the opening of the boxes. Now the moment has arrived, and let's open the box up. And firstly, we are presented with a certificate for Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador for beta level, and thank you Microsoft for this. Then there is a zipper. Oh my god, that looks so awesome. Look here, Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program branding, and oh my god, that looks so sweet. Isn't it great? Now let's see what's more for us. I must say they have given pretty attention to the design of the box as well. So you can see here is my name card, and now let's open more things what's in store for us. Oh my god, seriously. Firstly, there's a band, 3 bands, okay, with the hashtag of Microsoft Student Ambassador branding. That's great. And then there is a, oh my god, these socks from Microsoft. Oh my god, these look so awesome. Isn't these great? I'm pretty excited. This unboxing is going really well. Oh my god, more stickers. So good quality. Microsoft Student Ambassador, Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Learn, and Imagine Cup. Oh, if you guys also want these, do register for the program, and if you attain a certain level, you might also get these. This Python, command line, Azure AI, Mixed Reality Toolkit. These are all Microsoft services, and these are the GitHub. You might remember this fellow from the old Microsoft Word days. You might remember him. And yeah, Azure for everyone. That's amazing. And now what's this? And that's a t-shirt for me. Is it looking so great? And then there is a Rubik's Cube from Microsoft branded Rubik's Cube. I used to love these in my 10th grade, really. My friend used to solve this in approximately 1 minute or so. I was fascinated. And then there is a stress ball. Oh, nice. You can see. It's a stress ball from here, Microsoft. Looks good. And pretty much, and this is the name card from me, from Microsoft, as a Microsoft ambassador. This looks so sweet, and I think that's pretty much up. So till now we have got some stickers. Here are those 3 sets of stickers, a pair of socks, and a piece of bands, a t-shirt, pretty decent looking one. Oh, be force for good. Amazing. I hope you are liking this as much as I do. And then there is a Rubik's Cube, and then there is a stress resist ball, a card, and certificate. But my favorite part is the zipper itself. I mean, look at this thing. This looks amazing, actually, isn't it? So that's what Microsoft sent me. I hope you like this unboxing. So that was the unboxing of Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Beta Swag Kit, and I hope you like this video, and do share this video to your fellow friends. Do apply for the program if you are interested, and yeah, thanks for watching this video and showering so much of your love to my channel, and see you soon in a future video. Thank you.